Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to call this a 3D twisted triangle. And if you look, the shadows are in the corners of the depths, and it looks like it's a optical illusion. So we're going to take this out of the way. I am going to nudge this back to where it was. And if you wanted to, I'm going to draw it from scratch, but if you wanted to take a screenshot of this right now, and kind of play along where to put a line and where to cut. It's really pretty easy. Let's take that out of the way. The most important thing you could do is to take a 6-sided polygon and hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. I'm going to bring in indexing lines in the center of the page because we actually need a triangle. So we're going to take this and make it a 3-sided. Now, Corel thinks that the center rotation is right there at the X, but the center is actually the center. And that's why I drew a even-sided object first before I got to this. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to hit P, and then I'm going to grab them both and I'm going to hit B to put it in the bottom. I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker, so I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to Control D, and then by moving this down, and then I'm going to Control D again. I'm going to group these together. Control G, Control D to duplicate it. Click on the box on the X and put it in the center of the page, and then rotate it 120 degrees. And then Control D, and it rotated it 240 degrees. Now this one you might want to take a screenshot of because it's a little bit bigger. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take a 2-point line, and from this bottom coordinates, I'm going to go from that intersection to that intersection. Then I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete along that, and up, and that's it. That stops right there. Now I'm going to group all this together, Control G, because I want to be able to move it out of the way, and I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to go ahead and go with yellow again. And I'm going to nudge that out of the way for a second so I can nudge this out of the way. And then I can nudge this back. And you can see now the center rotation is not in the center. It's over, up and over. Now we're going to take the interactive fill tool, and we're just going to kind of swipe up. But we're going to put like a red right there. And that's going to give us some depth and shadowing, but I'm going to make it a little bit more red to the end. Now Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it, but move the rotation to the center. Click off of it, click it again, and it is. Now we're going to rotate 120 degrees again, and then another 120 degrees. And you have a optical illusion of a triangle, and then I'm going to put a black box around it like I always do, to kind of make it really stand out. That is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. And if you want to take a screenshot of that to help you along. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.